The best electric kettles. 2021 Top 5 Review. If you're tired of waiting for water to boil, pouring your coffee or tea in a mug, or using a coffee maker that requires a precise temperature, an electric kettle might be your new best friend. Boiling water and holding your desired temperature, electric kettles provide a swift way to heat water without a stove, making it easy for you to brew the perfect cup of coffee or tea. Out of all the kettles we've looked at, the Cuisinart PerfectTemp will be the best electric kettle for most people. But before you buy, there are a few things to keep in mind. Consider if you want a simple one that will get the job done or one with more advanced features. We have reviewed the top models to help you find the best electric kettle to add to your kitchen gadget list. To give you this top 5 review, we have looked at 95 products and analyzed 2,737 customer reviews. Links to the electric kettles mentioned in this buying guide can be found in the description below the video. Items are in no exact order, so keep watching to find the perfect one. The first one in today's video is the stainless steel portable kettle.